All right. All right. Hello, everyone. Hello. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Mrs. Choma Okezwe, aka Madam Financially Fit in the building. You're all welcome. Welcome. So let me just put on my You're all welcome. I hope we're all having a beautiful weekend. The weekend is over. Yes, the weekend is over. Today, I'm going to be talking about how I trade consolidations. Yes. So a lot of people find it hard to wait for they find it hard to wait for a consolidation, especially for people that are trading on higher time frames. So because I am a swing trader, so I like to wait. But I have mentees that are like, Coach, when is this trade going to enter? When is it going to enter? I beg. I'm like, it's consolidating, like the BTC on the higher time frame is consolidating for now. So I'm waiting for my breakout. I'm waiting for my breakout. So, but for people that know how to trade consolidations, they would have been eating out of the market already. So I'm here to show how I trade consolidations. I don't choose, in fact, sometimes I just don't want to stress myself. Like I didn't bother trading consolidations with the BTC or with the ETH or with the XRP because they all moved the same way. They all moved the same way. The three of them moved the same way. So I'm going to be showing you how I would have traded the consolidation if I really wanted to. Let's get down to it, shall we? I'm just going to be sharing my screen. Beautiful. Good. Hope everyone can see my screen. All right. Okay, this is Euro GBP. I'm looking for a consolidating market. So let's just go straight to the BTC or the ETH. Let's see the ETH. Was it the BTC? It was the BTC. All right. All right, so I'm just gonna I'm just going to let me just open it somewhere else. BTC. So yeah, let's do it on FT. Okay, let's do it here. All right. Ooh, that's a lot of chat. Can't even remember when I did all this. Beautiful. I hope everyone can see my screen. So how do we know a consolidating market? We know a consolidating market when it starts to move sideways, all right? The market is moving this way. You see? Let me get my trend line. So when the market is moving like this, you can see that we are actually moving sideways here, right? You can see we're actually moving sideways here. So this is your consolidation going on, right? This is your consolidation going on. Yeah, your consolidation going on. Your consolidation going on. So you can see M's, you can see W's. You don't know what's the next move for this thing. So you just know it's moving up, down, upside. Just the main direction is sideways, right? The main direction is sideways. So you don't know where this thing is going to. Safe traders would prefer not to trade a consolidation. But you want to learn how to trade a consolidation. Well, I can show you. I can show you how it's done. Now, let me just remove this so I don't confuse anybody. Now, it's safe to say, let me see if it's on the daily time frame, how it looks like. No, I think it was, yeah, the 4-hour time frame, yeah. Even on the 1 hour. Even on the 1 hour, you can see it's moving what? Sideways. It's moving what? Sideways. Now, when you see something, whenever you see something like this, right? When you see a consolidation like this, let's see how it looks on the line chart. Let's see how it looks on the line chart. All right. Now, remember, I taught you guys how to find resistance and support using the line chart and the GAN box, right? I taught you guys how to do that. Low, lower, low, break of structure, high, higher, high, break of structure. So now let's do low, lower, low, and break of structure. Or to make it easier, there's an easier way to do it. You change it to candles and you look for where it has touched at least twice. You look for where it has touched at least twice since the beginning of the consolidation. Now, if you look, it's touched here one, it touched here twice. So I'm just going to pick use my rectangle. I'm just going to use my rectangle because I don't need it to be really, really accurate. So I'm just going to, because I just want to mark it out. So, all right. So I'm just going to do this. Listen. So look at that. It touched here once, it touched here twice. In fact, if you look, this place has been so good. So all I need to do is draw my rectangle from the top of the wick to the body of the candle and then draw it out. This is called the what? The bull trap. The bull trap is the one that has been drawn on the top, all right, which is the resistance because it's blocking any markets coming up. So it's a bull trap. It's a bull trap. While this is the word bear trap coming down and being trapped. All right. So then we come to the downside and we look for where it has touched once. It touched here once, twice, 3 times. I'm just going to pick this one. I'll pick this one. Every time I need to do a video, my internet is unstable. This thing is beginning to look like a spiritual attack. Come on now. Come on. Anytime I have to do a video, the thing will be working fine. Once I'm doing a video for YouTube, this thing starts to tell me unstable. All right. So let's do the one for the let's do the one for yeah, let's take this one. This one looks good. It looks good. Let's take that one. Yeah, it looks good. So let's take it from here to the body. Yeah. Aha. It looks good. Looks so good. Now look at that. So let me bring it all up. As you can see, so I just took from my body to my wick of this candle and then area. Look at that, right? Now you have this, took from the body of this candle to the top, the wick, right? I did that. You can bring it down here. Yeah. That's more like, so look at that, right? Now, Coach Oran will say, it's like the market, in this kind of situation, the market is like a prisoner, right? That's been in prison for so long, right? And when he finally doesn't know how to act, he finds himself inside prison again. He will always find himself inside prison. You see, all those people is the grace of prison, right? So what Coach Oran was trying to show us is treat the consolidation like it's a prisoner, the consolidating market like it's a prisoner that really wants to. It what lands itself back in what the illustration easy for you. Now, we as traders, how do we catch it? How do we catch it? Now, listen very attentively. It could be very tricky if you don't get it now. All right. So, whatever you're doing, stop, get a note and a paper. If it means drawing and doing this, so listen, I'm just going to draw this out. So, Oga entered prison. Ooh, I don't like this color. I don't like this color. Yeah, I don't like that color too. So Oga entered prison. No, I don't think I picked the right thing. All right. So Oga entered prison, right? He's in prison, he's in prison, he's in prison, he's in prison. And then he was finally let out of prison. Now we as traders, what do? We wait for him because we know they don't know how to act. We wait for him to get into prison first again. Now, when he gets into prison, that is when we take the trade. We wait for it to come back to what? The bear trap. And we take this market down. Boom. So don't be deceived. Sometimes it might not get there. Sometimes it might get there before it starts going back. All right? Just take your 30 pips. Remember, you're in a consolidating market. Take whatever the market gives you. Take your 20 to 30 pips and bounce. In the case of Bitcoin, take your 200, your 150 to 200 to 300 pips and bounce, right? Now, look at again. Look at what the market did. He broke out of prison again. Oga did not know how to act. Oga entered prison. Now, what I'll wait for is for what? For it to retest and take the market up. Bam. See the large pips you've chopped there. Oga did not know how to act. He came out of prison again. No. Another chance. He did not know how to act. He entered prison and boom, market came down all the way. It kept doing like this. But of course, you would have taken your profit, came boom, right? Because my stop loss would be a little bit above the bear trap, right? It would be a little bit above the bear trap. That is around here, right? So that if he hits there, it takes me out, right? The pips. Or if you didn't take your 300 pips and bounce. Because if you put your ruler from here to here, that's 200 pips already. 205 minutes. But God didn't know how to act. Anytime he goes out, he keeps coming in. Now, when he comes in, this is where you wait to strike. You wait for it to retest and take the market. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now, from what we are seeing, Oga has broken out of the market. He has broken out of the prison, sorry. Now, of course, Oga doesn't. Now, see what Oga is doing. He keeps shuffling, keeps shuffling, keeps shuffling. Of course, it's thinking to move all the way up, right? So I'm waiting. Once it touches here, all right, which I think the market has already moved. Okay, yeah, it came inside and touched here. The market already moved here before it came back again. So I would have expected to take a buy here. It's already shooting up, guys. Look at that. Right in front of our eyes. To shoot up what? And take my profit. But in a consolidating market, take whatever the market gives to you. Take your 150 to 200 pips to 300 pips and bounce. Look at that. Look at this one. Look at where it came in. Oh, wow. It went all the way up. It didn't bust out. Kept going like that. So you shouldn't have, once it had breached here, you take your money and wait. Wait for it to come out again. Unless it comes out, ladies and gentlemen, unless it breaks out of prison, please do not enter the trade again. Unless it breaks out of prison. This is breaking out of prison. This is breaking out of prison here. This is breaking out of prison. Here. This is breaking out of prison here. Can you see it? It's also breaking out of prison. Sorry about that. Ooh. All right. So I'm just going to reduce it so that you can see that one is also breaking out of prison. This is also breaking out of prison. So you see a breakout when it is you see that. There you go. So you see breakout, breaking out of prison. This is what it looks like. Can I major one here? Yeah. This is what breaking out of prison looks like. So once there is a breakout of prison, let's see there was a breakout of prison on the top. Oh yes, there was. There was. Let me just delete all these things so you don't get confused. Look at this one. Breakout of prison. Breakout of prison. Breakout of prison. This one didn't really. Okay, you can take that. So although that's not really a breakout of prison. Now, I wouldn't go in that one. I wouldn't go in that one. Yeah, so look at the breakout of prison. Once he breaks out of prison, Oga will surely enter prison. Now, when he enters prison, wait for the retest and take the market up. He broke out of prison, you wait for the retest and take this market down. Because it didn't break out again. You right? So kept doing like this, but it shall reach its destination. If you're the type of person that has mind to wait, all right? It broke out here again. What did he do? He came back in. Although there was a tiny gap here, because when he came back in, looks like he didn't close above, he didn't close inside, he didn't come in and close. This is the close. So this place, it didn't really give us the entry. And then it went up again. So anytime it breaks out, that is what you'll be waiting for. All right. Now this market has taken off, but we don't know how far it's going to go. Well, if your target is about 300, okay, this is so far 61 pips, 67 pips. So that is how to trade a consolidation. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to put it on clear chart where let's draw it out. So let's say this is your, okay, this is your what? your bull trap, also known as what? Resistance. This is your what? Your bear trap, also known as what? Your support, right? You have this, and market is doing this. Remember, market is a convict when it is in between here. So a consolidating market is a convict, right? So we have a market starts to do this. Once you see a breakout of prison, you should be alert because this is what you're waiting for. A break-in back into prison, a retest, and take this market up. All right. If it goes up again and breaks here, I'm alert. This is what I'm waiting for. A break in, a retest, and take this market down. Okay. I'm not going to enter the market if it does things like this. I'm not going to enter the market. 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 Then I'll wait for here, retest, and boom. So always wait for the breakout. I hope this is clear. I mean, this is the easiest way to trade consolidations. Mark it out. Once you see where the market has touched twice, just take from the distance to the candle, mark it out. If you can do it on a line chart, all the better. Where it has touched twice, mark it out. That's all. And then you wait and see what the market does. So you can recognize your breakouts and breaking, right? You recognize your breakouts and breaking. Right? It has broken out again. Now, what do I do? This is what I'm waiting for. This is what I'm waiting for, right? This is what I'm waiting for. Bam, bam, and doosh. Okay. Now, with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you on how I trade consolidations. Okay, let's see if we can find another example. Let's see if we can, let's see where it works for everything, guys. It works for everything. Let me see if I can find on gold whether there was a console. Ooh. Chioma, what have you been up to? All right. Gold. Yes, I'm waiting for gold. I'm waiting to sell gold at this point. Yeah, I'm waiting to sell gold at this point. That's not a problem. I would have taken this market up all the way, but always respect the trend of the market. I learned it the hard way. I prefer to respect the trend of the market. Okay, look at that. I think I see a consolidation going on here. You see, I think I see a consolidation going on here. Who sees the consolidation? Beautiful. Now let's trade this consolidation together. Okay, let's trade this consolidation together. Okay. I'm looking for where the market has touched twice before. I'm looking for where the market has touched twice before. Has touched here once, touched here twice. This is where the consolidation started. Right, but this is too low. Let me see if I can find one. See if I can. Okay. I'm looking for where it has touched once and twice. Okay, let's use that one. Let's use that one. Let's use that one. So I'm going to mark it out with my what? My rectangle. All right. Let's open it up. Okay. Oof. This is too. Oh, it's too much. Let's go back, go up. It's like I've taken the whole market out. So I'm just gonna. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. Why? It touched here once, and it touched here twice, and it touched here again. All right, so this is good. It touched here once, it touched here twice, touched here 3 times. So that's good. All right, so let's use that one. Okay, let's use that one. Wow, it's beautiful what I'm seeing here. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful what I'm already seeing. All right, now let's catch this one. That's touched below once and twice. Yeah, we can go with this one here. Can go with this one here. Yep, we can go with that one there. Yeah. Let's go and draw it all the way to where the consolidation stopped. All right. Okay. So look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this beauty. All right. So it touched here once, touched here twice, and I took the whole thing. All right, let's look at that. Let's look at that, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now look at this. Let's say we did not know, let's say we came in and okay, we saw that the market had touched here once and touched here, and touched here once and touched here twice. We've drawn it. It came and touched here once, okay, and touched here twice. So I've drawn it, but I can't see this side of the market. Now I'm just going to play a replay and let us see if this thing worked. All right, it's a long one. I need your eyes to be attentive. Remember, we came in after here and here. Of course, you can see it broke out and came back, retested and took this market down, right? We can see that. Now, let us replay and see how this thing went, okay? So I'm going to play this. The market moves. Remember, we're waiting for a breakout. It broke out to the upside. Now, as a trader, what are we waiting for? For it to come back in, retest, boom, and take the market down. All right. I would have taken my 300 pips and left. But for people that are strong, as long as it did not break above, they will still be in this trade. All right. They will still be in this trade, waiting for it to touch the other side of the market. Okay. Until it breaks and closes above, they are not coming out. They will wait until it hits their stop loss. They are not coming out. Boom, it has hit their stop loss. So do you see why it is safer in a consolidating market to take your money, take whatever the market has given you? So it broke out and came in against our 300 piece. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay, let's see if it will break below. Boom, it broke below. Okay, it doesn't close. This is now, it broke below. You would have taken your 300 pips and left. For people that are strong, they would have taken it. Boom, it broke up to the upside again. Broke up to the upside again. Chama Okolo will wait. Chama Okezwe will wait. Okolo is my maiden name. Chama Okezwe will wait till she sees coming. Boom, let it close below inside there. Wait for the retest. Boom, that's my retest. Phew, I've taken what? Like 300 pips of pure. Ooh, this thing even came all the way down. Bam, that's a good TP right there. So you see how to trade it. That is exactly how to trade consolidations. All right, so I'm just going to stop that. I'm just going to stop that. See, it even works with gold. See that consolidation? We had already chopped up, down, up, down. That is how to enjoy a consolidation, right? So I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you that yes, this pattern, which has to do with the market, is called the market trap. This is a market trap. So it's called the market trap strategy, where you have the bear trap and the bull trap, which is all English. You have the resistance and the support. So once you can get those, then you are good to go. Thank you guys for listening. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and put on your notification so that you know when I drop a new video. All right, so that you know when I drop a new video. Share this with anybody that might love to benefit on how I trade this consolidation. It solves a lot of problems. I mean, if you really want to get into the trade without having to wait for the consolidation to be over, these are the methods we use. Thanks to my coach Oran, he taught us this. And I mean, there are so many things he has taught me that can't leave my head in a hurry. They can't leave my head in a hurry. It's left for me to become that billionaire and show off. But that's not my way. All right. So, guys, I thank you for being here with me. Like, subscribe, give a feedback in the comment section, and I'll be sure to. And if you are not in the IM Mastery Academy, please send me a DM underscore Okezwe, and you can send me a DM and I'll hook you up. Figure traders. Oh yes, I just started last year and I already have at least one four-figure trader. She just broke out recently, and I've never been a prouder coach. So if you really feel you are up to the task of being coachable and you really want to learn despite the odds, let's go. Send me a message. I am ready, and I will lead you with God by my side to the best of my ability on how to chop this market. Love you guys. Have a lovely night. Let's go. Yes.